Hello guys, today we're going to do smoothie, watermelon and cucumber smoothie. So here is our ingredients: smoothie, watermelon and Habib yogurt. I'm going to drop all the measurements on the description box. Try to shake it out. This smoothie is the best to burn fat, and this Habib yogurt did not contain more. So let's continue. This Habib yogurt is the best. It doesn't contain more sweet. So in this, you just add your cucumber, your watermelon, and 2 spoons of Habib yogurt on the blender on your blender. This blender is the best to blend smoothie. It blends everything pieces. You don't need to sieve anything out. And you know that smoothie is the best to lose weight. Instead of to be taking all these drinks, all these soft drinks, it's better you go for smoothie, because that is the best for weight loss. If you really want to lose weight, try to be taking smoothie. I know sometimes we can feel to drink soft drink because it's always available, but as much as you can try to lose weight and give yourself the body shape that you want, go for smoothie, because the benefit content is much. Yes, so smoothie is the best. If you are serious and determined to lose weight, get ready to do away with soft drinks. Embrace smoothies instead. It's also important to know that smoothies also contains fibers from fruits that assist in digestions. So smoothies is so good for our body, and it's so good for weight loss, unlike all these soft drinks that have preservatives. And as far as you don't add preservative on your smoothie, you don't need to add it. Just do it naturally, and you don't need to sieve anything out. You can add your yogurt. You see where I add it, and you blend it. When you blend it, you will see the nature, the sweet, the color alone is so attractive for you to drink, and which is so benefit. You can see after when grinding it, you can see the color. I can't wait to take this. You can see it's so beautiful and good, and it's good in the body. It's very, very good in the body. So let's always take smoothies so we can burn that stubborn fat. For more flavor, you can even add it ginger. It's still good for health and weight loss. So it will give you the flavor that you want. You see this, so yum. Oh.